Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into DIY projects, crafting, or even small home repairs, you know how important it is to have the right rotary tool. Today, we are counting down the top 3 best cordless rotary tools that bring versatility, precision, and power right into your hands. Whether you're engraving, sanding, polishing, or cutting, these tools can make the job a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in. 1. HARDELL Cordless Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Cordless Rotary Tool is a compact and lightweight option perfect for beginners and hobbyists. It comes with 55 accessories, making it a versatile kit for engraving, grinding, polishing, and sanding. Powered by a USB rechargeable battery, it offers 5 adjustable speeds up to 25,000 RPM, giving you good control depending on your project needs. Priced affordably, it's a budget-friendly pick for light to moderate tasks. The pros include its easy handling, portable size, and solid range of accessories. On the downside, it's not designed for heavy-duty work and the battery life could be limiting for longer projects. 2. Dremel Lite 7760 Cordless Rotary Tool. Next up is the Dremel Lite 7760. One of the most trusted names in rotary tools. With variable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, it provides smooth and precise control for a wide range of tasks. Its ergonomic design with soft grip makes it comfortable for extended use, and it comes with 10 accessories to get you started. Currently priced in the mid-range, it's a fantastic option for those who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros include Dremel's reputation for durability, a user-friendly design, and strong motor performance. The cons: it's a bit pricier than budget alternatives, and the accessory set is more limited compared to competitors. 3. WORKPRO Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Finally, we have the WORKPRO Cordless Rotary Toolkit, designed to give you flexibility at a great value. This model runs on a 3.7V lithium-ion battery and offers 5 speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM. It includes 104 accessories, which is a huge plus if you love experimenting with different projects. Pricing is competitive, making it an excellent choice for DIYers who want more versatility right out of the box. Its biggest pros are the massive accessory kit, adjustable speeds, and decent performance for the price. However, like the HARDELL, it's better suited for small to medium projects rather than continuous heavy-duty work. And there you have it, 3 of the best cordless rotary tools you can get right now, each with its own strengths depending on your budget and project needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable upgrade, one of these will definitely fit the bill. Which one would you choose for your next DIY project? Let me know